Everywhere you go these days, you see more and more pot plants, indoor plants, and green walls as we enjoy the beauty and benefits of the plant world and the positive effect they have on our and the planet's health. Cafes, shops, businesses are all getting into the plants. It's really trendy, and long may it live. Growing in pots and containers requires a slightly different set of skills to your normal gardening. The glaringly obvious difference is that the roots are contained as opposed to in the ground where they can roam freely in pursuit of water and nutrients. So make sure you use a good quality potting mix suited to the plant and freshen it up regularly, root pruning as required. Outdoor pot plants need more water than those in ground because they dry out quickly. This means your nutrients are being flushed out more quickly too, so balance this with any necessary extra fertilising, including pot-specific controlled release gear. Indoors is a different story. Overwatering is a common mistake. Once a week is fine for most, with once a month for tougher species like cacti. Push your finger into the soil about ½ an inch. If it's dry, water. If it's moist, wait. Avoid watering the foliage. To keep your plants healthy and strong, you can't beat Seasol. It's full of all that good seaweed gear to stimulate growth and health and vigour all year round, boosting the immune system. There's no mixing with this. It's designed for pots. You just spray straight onto the soil. Spraying onto the soil, not the leaves, gets the Seasol into the roots quickly and avoids messy overspray onto the walls or carpet. Use this every 2 to 4 weeks, all the year round, and your plants will be sensational. The beach that I swim at in Sydney gets a lot of seaweed and kelp in the water, and I reckon that it's easily added another 5 or 10 years to my life. Easy! Brand new on the pot plant scene is the PowerFeed spray, designed for pot plants also. It's got the fertiliser for improved performance, including better flowering and fruiting, plus soil conditioner for improved structure and nutrient uptake. Really important for pots and containers. Spray the PowerFeed onto the soil every 2 to 4 weeks throughout the growing season, indoors and out. So there you go with your 2 sprays, your Seasol and your PowerFeed. You've got your pot care covered, and remember, they're fast-acting liquids, so they go to work straight away.